All right, Eric. Let's see if you still got this horseshoe I've heard so much about. I do see a redemption. Redemptions are good. Out of 75, Ted Williams. Out of 333, Orlando Cepeda. Out of 386, Cole Hamels. Repeat. Oh, it's payday. Oh, didn't somebody tell you to take the bottom box? I think this was the bottom box. Well, you did get a double of Mr. Cespedes. I'm going to show you the bottom card. Bottom card's out of 30. Josh Hamilton. All right. Sneaky, sneaky. You ready? I think you already saw it. I wasn't that sneaky. Ah, focus. I'm trying to slow roll it and it won't focus. Damn it. Oh well, I'll just show it to you all at once. You got a 5-star quadragraph book. My goodness, what is going on here? Alright, let's start over here. Are you kidding me? Come on. Holy moly, camera does not want to work all of a sudden. Back it up. Alright. Pan in slow here. This is not wanting to work. Let's try the back. There it goes. Front. Much better. Well, see that? Boom. Unscratched. Told you. Told you. Hell, maybe that wasn't even the case hit. We still got another box. Out of 75, David Price. Something colorful in the bottom here. 353. Fred Lynn. Repeats. 2 repeats. My goodness. 386. Another Edgar. You got duped this one too. 386. Cole Hamels. Silver ink's nice. 25. Matt Moore. And your relic. Same one. Tampa Bay box. No, box 2 was the heyday. Seems to be how it goes with this stuff.